Hi everyone, laser cutting technology and laser cutting machine we need. Suppose you want to need, so definitely this platform is very good and wonderful platform to you. Laser cutting is a technology that users use the laser to vaporize the materials, resulting in a cutting edge while typically using for the industrial manufacturing application. It is now used by the school, small business, architecture. Hypothetically, a laser cutting work by the output of the high power laser most common throughout the opticals. The laser optical CNC computer numerical control is used to direct the laser beam to the material. Commercial laser for the cutting material use a motion control system to follow the CNC computer numerical control or a G code of the pattern to be the cut onto the material. The focused laser beam is a direct at the material which then either melt, burn, vaporize away or is the blow away by a jet of gas, leaving the edge of high surface finishing. So this is a background process of entire the laser cutting this platform. So the laser beam is generally focusing on the high quality lanes on the work zone. The quality of the beam has a direct impact on the focus spot size. The narrow waist part of the focusing beam in a generally less than 0.0125 inches to 0.232 mm in a diameter. Depending upon the material thickness, creep width as small as 0.004 inches to 0.10 mm are possible. In order to the able to starting the cutting from the somewhere other than the edge is a pieces of the done before every cutting. Pricing usually involve the high power plus laser beams which is slowly making on a whole material making or thinking around the 5 to 15 seconds for the 0.5 inches thickness or 13 mm stainless steels, for example. Advanced cutting of the laser cutting over the machine cutting including easier work holding and reduce the maintain workplace. All there is no cutting edge which is become the contained by the materials. Precious may be the better since the laser beam does not wearing during the process. There is also reducible chance vapor the material that is being cut. As the laser system has a small heat affected zone. Some materials are also the very difficult to the impossible to cutting by more traditional means. So methods, there is a many different methods are cutting using the laser with the different types of the cutting different materials. Somewhere methods are vaporizing, melt below the beams. So vaporizing, cutting, melt and belows, and thermal stress cutting, thermal stress cracking, settled denses of the silicon wafers, reacting cuttings like that. So this is a official platform, you can look out here. This is official platform, you can look out here. Here is available the number of options about the machine: seat cutting machine, tube cutting, binding, settle seat and tubes both, including handle laser welding, then automation system machines. So core technologies are also connected with the bus CNC system like the 3D 5 axis cutting technology, and then optical systems, digital suckings, and many more options you have available. So definitely, suppose you want to buy automation technology laser machine, so you have the number of options just like a product: steel metal cutting machines, steel tube cutting machines, tube metal cutting machine, binding machines, and handle laser welding machines, and automation equipment. Suppose you want to all these kinds of the information, this is series or here, so definitely you can visit here, and whichever information is required, just click on the chat, put your details, and team is contact will be soon as soon. I'm not forcing or supporting this platform, but definitely this one is a very good platform for you. So right now we just stop here. Bye bye.